Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Every single day, this facility alone processes millions of meters of fabric. It's a staggering operation running 24 hours a day. This is how it's done. High-speed spinning transforms this raw cotton into the yarn needed to produce millions of clothes daily here in Bangladesh.
From these massive weaving machines, an endless river of grey fabric flows, soon to be transformed into millions of garments.
The fabric, once grey, now takes on this vibrant blue hue. The worker pulls the lever,
Bangladesh produces millions of garments every single day, a feat made possible by factories like this one. How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day. In Bangladesh, millions of clothes are made every single day. This is the heart of the operation.
Quality inspection is crucial. Workers meticulously examine every meter of fabric under these bright lights to ensure perfection.
How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day. The automated spreading machines are key to this massive scale.
Every day, Bangladesh produces millions of garments. Here, computer-controlled lasers cut through 150 layers of fabric with extreme precision. Once cut, the pieces are meticulously sorted and labeled. This efficient conveyor system ensures millions of garments move through the factory daily.
This is how Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day. Precision is key, guided by these massive digital screens.
Every single day, Bangladesh produces millions of garments in massive halls like this one.
Every single day, Bangladesh manufactures millions of pieces of clothing. It's a high-speed.
So how many pockets can you attach in an hour?
About 120, depending on the style.
How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day. A mesh belt carries wet shirts through this 20-meter-long heated tunnel. Fans blast hot air.
Confirmed. This one is approved.
To produce millions of garments daily, the workflow is precise. After inspection, each piece is steam-pressed and prepared for export.
Every 2 seconds, another shirt is perfectly folded. It's this relentless pace that allows Bangladesh to produce millions of garments daily.
With robotic precision, tags reading "Made in Bangladesh" are attached to millions of garments daily before moving to packaging.
To produce millions of clothes every day, factories here are turning to advanced automation, with robots packaging garments at incredible speed.
Trim this loose thread here, then you can apply the pass stamp.
To produce millions of garments daily, efficiency is key. Every defective item is quickly repaired at specialized stations like this one.
Every shirt is scanned.
Every day, millions of pieces of clothing are manufactured here in Bangladesh, ready to be shipped across the globe.
How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day.
Product code 4Y5T. Total stock 50,000 units. Allocating 20,000 for the Los Angeles shipment. Confirmed.
How does Bangladesh make millions of clothes every single day? It's through massive operations like this, handling
Every single day, Bangladesh produces millions of garments, ready for shipment across the globe.
To meet global demand, mega warehouses like this one in Bangladesh operate around the clock, relying on sophisticated
How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day. The finished garments are transported from factories to ports across the country.
How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day.
Every day, millions of pieces must pass this final checkpoint, ensuring Bangladesh remains a global leader in textile export.
Every single day, millions of pieces of clothing leave Bangladesh, bound for destinations like
Every single day, Bangladesh produces millions of garments. Here in the massive port warehouses, shipments are
how Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day.
Every day, Bangladesh ships out millions of garments. This massive vessel alone carries thousands of tons of clothing destined for global markets.
As this ship departs, carrying millions of garments, Bangladesh solidifies its role as a manufacturing giant.
While the volume is massive, the attention to detail in the luxury sector is paramount. Here, every shirt is meticulously folded and boxed. Every day, Bangladesh produces millions of garments. Here, workers use precise templates to fold designer shirts for global markets. How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day. Any imperfection is instantly tagged for repair, ensuring flawless production on a massive scale.
How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day.
The stitching is impeccable. This is exactly the quality we need for the new line. Well done.
We're showing how Bangladesh became a global fashion powerhouse. They produce millions of garments every day, including these for New York Fashion Week.
how Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day.
With the help of advanced robotics, these containers are packed tightly, ready to ship millions of pieces of clothing around the world every single day. Every day, this convoy carries millions of garments from the factories towards the massive port of Chittagong. How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day.
Every day, millions of garments leave Bangladeshi ports on vessels like this one, bound for international fashion markets across the globe.
For this operant is essential. This round-along essential, as this massive vessel departs, carrying millions of garments.
Every morning in Bangladesh, millions of workers begin the monumental task of creating the clothes worn around the world. How Bangladesh makes millions of clothes every single day. The process begins here, as raw cotton is transformed into fresh yarn. Across Bangladesh, automated looms like these run non-stop.
Every single day, Bangladesh produces millions of garments.
Bangladesh produces millions of garments every day, utilizing these highly efficient modular assembly lines.
Every day, millions of garments pass through here. This steam tunnel blasts hot vapor, ensuring a perfect finish before export.
To produce millions of garments daily require rigorous quality control. Here, inspectors use high-tech tools.
With thousands of units moving hourly, efficient inventory management is crucial for Bangladesh's massive output. Every day, millions of garments leave Bangladesh through ports like this.
Every single day, this factory turns tons of cheap fabric into global fashion worn across the world.
So hello guys, welcome back to Vault of Civilization. This is the short note video about Bangladesh garments manufacturing script. And from raw cotton bales to finished fashion export, this documentary takes you inside Bangladesh's massive garment industry where millions of clothes are made every single day. Watch as the Vault of Civilization team revealed the incredible journey of fabric through spinning, weaving, dyeing, cutting, sewing, quality control, and global shipping. Witness the power of automation, the skill of thousands of workers, and the scale of the industry that clothes the world. Like and subscribe Vault of Civilization for more videos, and keep following us for more updates. Until that time, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.